Apollo 17 would be the program's final journey to the moon, a spectacular conclusion to the first era of human space exploration. One of the last two men to walk on the moon was a first for NASA, a true scientist, geologist Jack Schmitt. Apollo 17 lifted off after midnight on December 7, 1972, the program's only night launch.
We have ignition, 210, we have a liftoff. We have a liftoff, and it's lighting up the area. It's just like daylight here at Kennedy Space Center as the Saturn V is moving off the pad. It has now cleared the tower.
Commander Gene Cernan, Schmitt, and Command Module pilot Ron Evans were headed to the moon's Taurus Littrow region, near the rim of the Serenitatis Basin. The site was a geologist's dream, featuring steep-walled valleys with large boulders at their base. The moonwalkers would be able to sample both young volcanic rock and older mountainous wall material in the same place. Cernan had flown a lunar module to within 50,000 feet of the surface on Apollo 10. This time, on December 11th, Cernan took his second moon lander, named Challenger, all the way down. Cernan and Schmitt traveled almost 19 miles in the moon buggy during their 3 lunar excursions, collecting 243 pounds of rock and soil.
I was strolling on the moon one day in a merry, merry month of December. May.
Apollo 17 suffered the first extraterrestrial fender bender when Cernan accidentally ripped one of the rover's bumpers with a hammer. He used a plastic map to make repairs. After almost 75 hours on the lunar surface, 22 of them spent walking and driving, it was time to head for home. Cernan offered some parting words that serve as an inspiration for future explorers.
And as we leave the moon and Taurus Littrow, we leave as we came, and God willing, as we shall return, with peace and a hope for all mankind.